Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Logitech Slim Folio Pro. Now this is a keyboard case for your iPad and your iPad Pro. Now you can pick these up at Logitech.com or you can get them on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on this one, $130. Now let me say this. The iPad Pro is my favorite tablet. I use it every day. And right now, I'm using the Apple Smart Case, but there's 5 things about this case that I don't like. Number 1, there's no security for the Apple Pencil. Now, you just spent $100 on that pencil. Imagine how tight you're going to be when you knock it off. It's always going to fall off in your bag. It's going to fall off in your bed. No security for the pencil. Number 2, there's no flap to keep it closed. So a lot of times you go to pick up your iPad and it'll just flap right open. I don't like that. Number 3, there's no protection for the corners. Now you just spent $100 on a keyboard case. The least thing it should do is protect those corners. Number 4, no tactile feel on the keys. Now these keys are soft and mushy, just not a good typing experience. And number 5, now all 4 of those other things I could kind of live with, but number 5, this is the thing that I really hate the most about this keyboard case, no backlit keys. So that basically makes this useless if you're trying to type at night. You know how many times I'm in the bed and I'm trying to type in the middle of the night? You're going to have to take your phone out and go like this and use it as a flashlight. That's trash. Well, with the Logitech version, this new case solves all 5 of those problems. That's a go. All right, so let's check this one out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
shoes.
white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Logitech Slim Folio Pro. Now this is available for your iPad and your iPad Pro. Let's go through the features real quick. You got Bluetooth low energy technology, adjustable backlit keys, you got iOS shortcuts, 3-month rechargeable battery, and you got a home for your Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, and other digital pencils. Let's see anything else. Turn your iPad into a laptop with 1 click. Sketch, write, or browse comfortably, read anywhere. So basically 3 different viewing modes. All right, so let's see what it is. Okay, backlit keys. That's the number 1 thing that you need on a keyboard case. All right, here we go. Let's peel this off. Hold up. Rah. 1 more. Rah. Okay, now right out of the box, you can kind of see it's the same silicone material as the Smart Case, but it's a little bit thicker. Now check this out. First things first, you got a flap, magnetic flap. All right, so your iPad ain't gonna be flapping around all over the place. You got actual protection for the corners now. Look at this. Let me get that in the frame. Look at this. Rubber corner protection for all 4 corners. Now here's your Apple Pencil slot. And here's the keyboard. Now let me see. Look at this. This is real tactile clicks on your keyboard. As opposed to, let me show you the other one. Look at the difference. You see how flat these are? No sound, soft and mushy. Now you got actual keyboard clicks. And of course, let's see. Got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, flick of the wrist. All right, so let me grab my iPad. Now, the only thing that I do like about the Smart Case is it comes off easy. But in some ways, that's not good. Because if I shake this hard enough, your iPad will just flap right out. Now, let's see. Let's line these up correctly. So you're going to have to add the corners in. All right, shoes, scoop, scoop. And let's get these corners around the top. Okay, matter of fact, maybe I should take off this plastic first. Let's do that correctly. Okay, hold up. Plastic is trolling. Rah. All right, here we go. Now, you're just going to have to work those corners in, just like that. Same thing on the other side, just like that. There it is. Now, let me slap that pencil back on. We'll close it up. Sorry about that. Shoes. And look at this. Now, when you got your iPad in your bag, your pencil's not going to fall off. When you're walking around in Starbucks and you accidentally bump into somebody, your pencil's not going to fall off. And I'm not just making that up. That actually happened to me in the airport. I bumped into somebody, my pencil fell off, and the guy behind me said, "You dropped your pencil." Now imagine I would have got on the flight I lost my pencil for $100. You can imagine how it would have felt. Let's see, you got plus and minus. That's your volume up and down. Got your camera cutouts. Let's open this up. Shoes, you need to fall back. Okay, let's see if we got magnets on this. Okay, look at that. You see the power just turned on? Let's take it over to settings. Matter of fact, let's see. I hope this locks into place in the back. Oh, bingo. Magnet on the back. Oh, look at this. You can slide your pencil in it. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Hold up, let me close this again. Oh, I didn't even notice you could do that. Let me see. Can you put this on? Can you charge this with it on like that? Let's try that. Let's open this up. Okay, that might just be a holder. Let's see. Let's see if we can put this in and charge. No, that might just be a holder for when you're not using it. Okay, I like that design too. Okay, let's go back to settings. Let's go to Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Let's pair this up. Slim Folio Pro. Now I'm doing this in real time. Let's see. Enter the code. Let's see. 99264. All right, my bad. I had to file White Shoes to the side because she was doing too much. Nice tactile click on these keys, and you also got your iOS shortcuts. So you got a home button. You got your keyboard brightness up and down. You got search, virtual keyboard. You got all your media controls, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You got a mute button, volume up and down. You can lock the keyboard. There's your Bluetooth pairing button and your battery LED. Now let me dim the lights so you can see how the keyboard looks. All right, so now I'm sitting in complete darkness. Let's check the backlit keys. That's your first level of brightness. Second level. Check this out. Now you can easily type in complete darkness. Look how bright that is. Now with the Apple keyboard, you're gonna have to take your phone out and go like this. And that's kind of whack. With Logitech, press one button and you're good to go. All right, so now let's see how long it takes for the Bluetooth to reconnect. I'm just gonna pop this open, drop it into place. Let's hit home, and we'll start typing. Already connected. Now let's test out this keyboard. This is how fast I type. Brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that. Perfectly. Love these tactile buttons. Now here's your 3 different viewing modes. You can open this up, put it in typing mode. You can lay it flat for sketch mode. And you can flip it around for reading mode. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Logitech Slim Folio Pro is a major go. If you got an iPad or an iPad Pro, you need this. And not only do you need this way more than you need the Apple version. The Logitech is $70 cheaper and does way more. You got security for your Apple Pencil. You got a flap to keep it closed. You got protection for all of the corners. You got these nice tactile clicky keys. You got all your iOS shortcuts. You get 3 months worth of battery on a single charge. But most importantly, backlit keys. Now you can use your iPad in the middle of the night. Now when you want to charge up the keyboard, plug in a USB Type-C for a couple of hours and you're good to go for another 3 months. And another thing that I actually like is the little storage flap for the pencil. Lock that in when you're not using it. Then when you're ready to go out, take the pencil out, put it back on the magnet, close it up, and you're good to go. Like I said, this is a triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.